Hello and welcome to the video. In this video it's a very quick video to announce the winner of the giveaway that I'm doing for the Flynoceros Aether frame. Now this is the frame that I'm going to be using in the build series that's just about to start, and it's a very versatile frame with arms from 2 to 8 inches and individual cages in the middle that support micro, mini and full-size FPV cameras too. So it's a build I'm thoroughly enjoying doing at the moment, and the videos will start coming out very shortly. But as part of the overview of the frame at the end of that video, I did talk about a giveaway. Big thank you to everyone that got involved with that, watched to the end of the video and spotted that I was giving one away. So here is the winner. So I'm going to use the random comment picker. I'm going to put in the details and upload all the comments, and the winner is Ron Stubblefield. A quick check, Ron is one of my subscribers, so congratulations Ron, you have won the frame. Please send me a private message here on YouTube with your postal address and I shall get the frame out to you, and hopefully you can follow along with the build series and make one of your own. But don't worry, if you're not Ron, you haven't completely lost out, because there is also another giveaway going on the channel. The channel passed 90,000 subscribers overnight on Wednesday night this week, so I'm giving away a quadcopter as part of that 90k celebration. So if you want to be in a chance with that, I'll put a link in here. So click in the top right, go and have a look at that additional 90k giveaway video. Make sure that you've liked, subscribed and commented on that video to be part of that draw as well. So again, congratulations to Ron, commiserations to everyone else, but don't forget there's other giveaways on the channel, and thank you to everyone that's liking and subscribing and helping get to that magic 100k subscribers. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.